Hi guys, and welcome back in MedicalScribe. In this video, we will talk about the supine and the prone positions. The supine and the prone are specific positions that will be used to describe the direction of the body when lying down, in which if the back of the person will be directed inferiorly, or if the back of the person will be directed superiorly. Or in a simple way, these two terms will be used to describe if the person lying down on his back or lying down on his belly. So regarding the supine position, this position means that the person will lie down horizontally and on his back, in which his face and toes will face superiorly. And this position of course has many usages, like when we need to examine the patient. So usually the person will lie down on his back. And also this position used in many surgical procedures, because it will give us an access to the abdomen of the patient and to his thoracic region and to other regions. So the meaning of the supine position is when the patient lie down on his back. While the prone position, on the other hand, is the exact opposite of the supine position. So in the prone position, the person will lie down horizontally, but this time he will lie down on his abdomen, not on his back, in which his face and his chest will direct it inferiorly, while his back will direct it superiorly. And this position also used in many places, thus we will know them later. So what I want you to keep in your mind is that the prone position means the patient lying down on his abdomen. So that was almost everything about the supine and the prone positions. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.